EspressoWorks, the all-in-one espresso maker. Equipped with the advanced Thermoblock heating system, is ready for use in 45 seconds or less. Fill up the front view water tank. Grind your favorite beans to a fine grind using the easy-to-use plug-in electric bean grinder. Select the single shot or double shot filter basket and guide it into the stainless steel portafilter. Using the tamper measuring spoon, fill the filter basket with espresso grinds. Tamp the grinds firmly. Lock the portafilter into the machine and place one or two of the ceramic cups under the filter holder. Press the on and off button. After a few seconds, the green light will illuminate, indicating the machine is ready for brewing or steaming. Turn the dial to espresso position and your espresso shot will begin to extract. When finished, simply turn the dial back to the middle off setting. EspressoWorks All-in-One Set comes with a powerful, easy-to-use built-in steam wand to heat and froth milk to create a delicious latte or cappuccino. The all-in-one espresso and cappuccino maker, brought to you by EspressoWorks.